Meaning of Ethiopia.
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 Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country located in the Horn of Africa, with a population of over 112 million people. The name Ethiopia comes from the Greek word Ethiopia, which means burnt face. This is likely a reference to the country's hot climate. Ethiopia has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with notable achievements such as being one of the only African countries to avoid colonization in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Today, Ethiopia has a diverse economy, with agriculture, industry, and services all playing important roles in its development.